Let's try it on together. Come to the top of your mat and step between your blocks if you have them. For the first round, I'll be moving at about 2 breaths per pose, and then we'll pick up the pace for the subsequent sun salutations at about 1 breath per pace. So you will feel your heart rate rise and your breath. You'll hear my breath because this will happen in my body as well, and we'll move through these together. So stand with your feet hip distance apart. Take a breath. Lift all 10 toes and wiggle them. Place all 10 toes back to your mat. Bring your hands to heart center, palms together. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hinge from your hips to forward fold. Place your hands on your blocks or the floor and step your right leg back. Lower your right knee to your mat. Inhale, hinge from the hips to lift your chest. Exhale, return your hands to the block. Step onto your right toes and step back to down dog. We'll take a couple breaths here. On your next inhale, step your right leg forward between your hands or blocks and lower your left knee to the floor. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, fingertips to the block or your mat. Step your left knee up, step forward, forward fold. Press down into the earth with your feet to root to rise. Hinge from the hips, come all the way up. Look up. Bring your palms together. Exhale to prayer. We'll move through this a little quicker now. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step your right leg back. Lower your right knee with your exhale. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, return your hands to the mat. Step back to down dog. Inhale, step your right leg forward. Lower your left knee with your exhale. And inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, return your fingertips to the block. Step your left knee up and forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up. This time, just the cues for the body movements. Forward fold. Step your right leg back. Lower your knee. Lift your chest. Return fingers. Step back to down dog. Step your right foot forward. Lower your left knee. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, return fingers to the blocks. Step your left knee up. Step forward, forward fold. Hands together. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Fingers to blocks. Step your right leg back. Lower your right knee. Inhale, rise up. Fingers back to your blocks. Step back to down dog. Inhale, right foot forward. Lower left knee. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, fingers to your blocks. Step your left knee up and your left foot forward, fold. Inhale, reach your arms wide. Gather your palms together and exhale to heart center. Last one. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Step your right leg back. Lower your knee to your mat. Lift your chest. Return fingers to your blocks. Step back to down dog. Step your right leg forward. Lower your left knee. Inhale, lift your chest. Return fingers to blocks. Up. and your left foot forward. Exhale, forward fold. Press down into the earth, root to rise, come all the way up. Bring your palms together and exhale to heart center. Pause here for a moment. Close your eyes. Notice your breath pace, your heart rate, your body temperature, and any sense of groundedness or connectedness to yourself or the earth. You could bow your head towards your heart if you'd like, thanking yourself for this practice. Your heart received the benefits, as did your mind. Thank you so much for practicing Sun Salutations with me. I hope this offers you a practice you could take anywhere with you. I used to practice in the airport when I was traveling for work, or to warm my body up, or just to feel overall good. It's a nice reset anytime you need. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.